fast forward to 4 o'clock this afternoon. Until then, you are just fine with any outdoor plans. The storms are just approaching the western side of the state at 4 o'clock. By about 6, 7 o'clock, they're moving through the middle half of the state. But what you do notice is it is not a solid line of storms. These will be very isolated, strong to severe cells as they make their way through. But just know that there is the potential towards the tail end of the evening commute into the early evening hours for the strong storms. And then any threat of severe weather will come to an end probably by about 10, 11 o'clock. So it's a pretty small window for the potential of these strong to severe storms. And the main threat would be wind and also hail. The tornado threat is very low with this system as it moves through, but there could be some decent sized hail and some of these isolated storm cells. So just be prepared. Kyle Mounts will be in throughout the evening. Have Storm Shield ready. You can look at the interactive radar, and you'll also get any warnings straight to your phone if you download that app. Right now, the temperature is at 82 degrees. We've been warming very quickly throughout the course of the day as we're kind of getting back into this very summer-like weather pattern. The winds out of the west-southwest at 11 miles per hour, and the humidity, that's starting to come up a little bit as well. And Peru, you're all the way up to 84 degrees already. It's 81 in Bloomington, but still holding into the 70s where the clouds are starting to move in right now. And you look back off to our west, and there is warm air out there. In fact, they'll be warming into the 90s later on this week in St. Louis, and then that warm air eventually does start to head our way, as you'll see here in the 7-day planning forecast in just a second. So highs today top off near 90 in southern locations, about 87 in Indianapolis, 86 in Peru as those thunderstorms move in this evening. Then overnight tonight, we are looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. As the storms depart, some patchy fog will settle in once again. And here's a look at your 7-day planning forecast. You notice the temperatures. Yes, there will be the chance of some scattered storms Thursday and Friday, but it's this weekend mark the high temperatures get back up to near 90 degrees with mixture of sun and clouds. So we're cranking up the heat, we're cranking up the humidity, and also those chance for storms.